Hey guys, today's part 3 of going into Virtual Stump the monkey rooms. I'm going to show my bestie how to get to this secret place. You want to come? If so,
wait, let me control. Let me control.
no, because we're going to go try and find the slide again so my bestie can do it.
Okay, I'm gonna stand in the middle of my boundary. Wait, let me.
Can you come as well? Because I can't necessarily remember.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if there are any monsters in this map nowadays.
I'm coming.
So how do I say goodbye?
Bro, why? Ow. Bro, my boundary. Where are you?
I know where we go.
Peekaboo, peekaboo, peekaboo. I wanna go down the slide.
Yeah, we'll go to the slide now. It's just a never-ending corridor, bestie. I wish I was in the middle, like here. Because then if something's behind us, then...
I have no idea where you are. Now, where did we go from here? Yeah, we went this way.
I remember seeing...
Yeah, 'cause look, this gap.
Yeah. You can fit through it as long as you're not fat.
No, that's not nice.
No, I'm not saying anything. I'm kidding. Bestie, you're beautiful. And here's the slide.
Allah Akbar!
Whee!
Oh no.
Just let me in. Bestie, I'm stuck. You'll like it. There's a button to turn off the music. Music off.
Where did he go?
Up here. Come with me, bestie. Come with me. Oh, okay. Where are you?
Enjoy this song. Paradise, paradise.
It's just a person, bestie. You're not gonna get this.
Don't hold her down.
Bestie, wait, guys. Wait, I've got a good idea. Follow me. Bestie, follow me. Yeah, so go up here. Oh my gosh. I'm just gonna take this way.
Red sky. Every night.
Guys, where are you? Why'd you leave me? Oh, there.
Oh. Where the hell do we go?
Maybe we go that way instead, like down that way instead of...
Down here.
I don't feel like we've been down this way before.
I'm fat! Purple skies and sky. Paradise. Getting tighter and tighter. Peekaboo, peekaboo.
What?
Someone's coming by me. Peekaboo, peekaboo.
There's nothing behind you, girl.
Someone was behind me.
There's nowhere we can go, so if there was something following you, then we're screwed.
I think I know where to go.
Wait, no!
No, just... Here you are. Party at the beach. Sipping in the beach cup. Black yoga pants. Me and this is the dead end. Sipping in the club. Dead end.
It can't be, there's nowhere else we can go.
I think there's a secret.
There must be.
It must be in this corner somewhere. Why would they put these here? Like... Here you are. I'm pulling my pants down.
Why?
Oh my god. I just hit my pants. I just fell down.
Lovely. No, I'm too fat. I can't get in. Wait, there we go. Wait, guys, go this way. Go this
Where
way.
do we go?
Wait, guys.
Wait, can we go out now?
No.
Wait, you know what? Hold on.
What's this? No.
I
What's
want to find
this?
the exit. Oh! Secret room. Can you get in there? No, you can't. You can't get in.
Wait. Why don't we just go that way? Like down.
Hold on, I'm currently live, but my dad keeps calling me. Hold on, guys.
There's nothing.
I'm gonna report back.
No, don't. Oh my gosh. There's nowhere we can go because there's nothing down there. I don't understand. How are we going to get out?
Bro, hold on, I'm getting spam called. Ma,
Yeah?
I wanna go to beach.
Okay, guys, we can't find our way out, so we might end the video here. Wait, I just want to see if there's any other way that we can get out.
I wanna go beach.
We'll go beach in a minute.
I wanna go beach. I wanna go beach.
Okay, I'm going to go back to Virtual Stomp. See you guys in the next video. I hope you guys saw what I just saw.
Stop.
Yeah, bye guys.